So I'm back in the kitchen where I belong. Not funny. I'm making banana bread today. The weather's a bit dreary, it's raining, so we're gonna cheer ourselves up with something amazing to eat. I've never made banana bread before, which I think, you know, it's isolation. Why have I not hopped on the bandwagon yet? So I'm gonna test my skills because I'm not gonna use a recipe today. I'm gonna make it up. See how good it goes. Why not? Let's make it interesting. I mean, I don't need to be told what to do. I'm sure as hell not gonna be told by a recipe. So when I do say the word banana bread, what comes to mind? Bread. And the first ingredient that I think I need would be like yeast. But then common sense prevails and I delve a little bit deeper into that thought and I think banana bread's not really a bread. It's actually a cake. It's a bit deceiving. It's the whole peanut saga all over again. If you join me in my last isolation cooking episode, a peanut is actually not a nut. It's a legume. And it seems as though a banana bread isn't actually a bread. It's a banana cake, kind of. I've got now 2 ingredients. As you can see, the bananas. Don't mind the Poposaurus. He's watching the show. I think you're supposed to have proper overripe bananas, but you know, whatever. 2 bananas, that should be enough. And then the only other thing that I've gotten out, which I think is a fundamental of any cake and or cooking, butter. Other than those ingredients, I wouldn't call it guessing. I'm guesstimating. Isn't that what guesstimating is such a stupid word, isn't it? Guesstimating. Isn't an estimate a guess anyway? Yeah, it's like a really rough guess. Like a super rough guess if you're guessing the estimate. Whatever. So follow me back over to the oven. We're gonna, again, we're not really sure. We're gonna pop it on Air Force is a shoe. We're gonna put it on fan forced and we're gonna do 180. The only other thing I prepared, I got out a loaf tin because look, if everything else fails, I thought as long as it looks the part, you know, like it probably will be the part. What do they say? If it looks like it, it smells like it, it probably is it. So half of it's the illusion. Oh no, I've got butter on everything. God. 150 grams of butter. It doesn't seem like a lot of... I'm on the piss. Hang on. Whoa, shit. Up mission. Hang on. Let me stabilize. 150 grams of butter doesn't sound like a lot, does it? Yeah, well, that's what we're starting with. So too bad. Either I'm a fat. I'm gonna add a banana. I think they're supposed. Hi. I think that they're supposed to be like overripe, like mushed up, aren't they? Because like, will it shred down? I'm gonna mash up. Well, they do not feel like they're super ripe. Whatever. Got to roll with the punches. We've come this far. I'm just gonna mash up. Wow, why are they so tough? Look how hard. Gee whiz. Oh God. These organic bananas are tough cookies. I have a feeling that this is gonna be a vanilla cake with banana chips in it. Wow, I cannot believe the consistency of these. Fuck, that's hard. That's not. Chip a tooth on a banana. What's the go? That's all going in. If the bananas weren't the consistency of rocks, I'd probably believe that they'd be quite sweet. So you wouldn't need a lot of sugar. But based on what's happening and what has happened, I'm just gonna put a half a cup of sugar in because that seems like a smart idea. Bonding of the ingredients, I'm gonna do an egg. Perfect. Should I do another egg? Should I? 2 bananas, 2 eggs. Will I? Or no? Will I? Well, yeah, go on. We'll do another egg. Fuck it. Let's try and do it with one hand. Oh, a bit of shit, but no hands. Well, one hand. Bit of shell went in, but it's all a part of the texture. And the final, I think I'm gonna add some nuts into it as well. So it'll all just, and we're gonna do with it. Oh shit. I've given it a good whip and it's gone fuzzy, like fluffy, which I'm not sure is a good thing. Like it's very aerated. A banana foam, maybe too many eggs. All right, so from here, now that that's all, it's not, look how chunky that is. Those bananas are really playing hard. Let's add some flour. Do we want it to rise? Yeah, of course. All right, we're gonna do a cup of self-raising flour to mix. What's going on over here? Now, it's kind of a bit more liquidy, so I'm gonna thicken it up with a bit more, a half cup, I reckon. Could be too much, could be not enough. I have like this nagging feeling that I may have overdone it with the self-raising flour. So we're gonna hydrate the mixture a little bit. I've also had a thought that I think most cakes usually have like bicarb soda or like baking powder. Bicarb, does that sit? Maybe I should do a bit of baking. So I'll do some baking powder. We'll just make it a little bit more aerated. Isn't banana bit, it's dense. Heck it. It says baking in it, so surely it can't hurt the banana bread. We'll do like the tiniest bit of vanilla. We like our vanilla. Bit of nutmeg. Cinnamon, is that pushing it? A little bit of cinnamon. Bit more. Do you remember the cinnamon challenge? And a bit of nutmeg. Am I gonna add some bonus treats to make it better? Or alternatively, I'll make it worse? I mean, what have I got to lose, really? I mean, I think I've done it. What else goes into banana bread? I'm nervous now because I feel like that was too simple. I feel like I did eggs, flour, sugar, bananas, baking powder, milk. I'm too calm. It makes me feel like I've missed something. What else do you put in? Whatever. Let's keep it simple. And we're just gonna put some walnuts, maybe blueberries. That could be fun. Like a blueberry banana bread. A couple of walnuts, which are actually nuts. Peanuts. If you're listening, you're not actually a nut. You know what I think of when people say, like, roasted peanuts? It's like it's like somebody's gone up to the peanut and like actually roasted it. Like, you're not even a nut. You're just a legume. What are you? You're not even like a part of the big nut. Why am I like this? And like a handful of, 2 handfuls full of blueberries. I don't know if this is a wise idea. I don't know why I'm worried now. Yeah, fuck it. Confidence is key. Watch this. Oi. Not bad. I really like. Lastly, we're gonna season the cake. Season the cake? Do you season a cake? bit of cinnamon. 45 to an hour is like a good amount of time. So what I'm gonna do, so it's idiot proof, I'm gonna do half an hour and we're gonna come and check and then just look at it every 15 minutes after that until it's done. Righty, we left it in for 45 minutes and now for the the big reveal. Is it edible? Looking good on the inside. It looks cooked thus far. Bit chewy. It's good on the inside. I'm gonna rate that it's not a banana, it's a banana cake. It tastes a bit like bananas, it's more of a vanilla cake with banana bits and walnut and blueberry decoration. So that's probably a 5 out of 10. It's very mediocre, average. But I haven't died. We'll check back in with you if I do. Upon even further inspection, I actually don't mind it. The end bit really threw me off. The inside of it is actually not bad at all. I'm pretty pleased. I'd do it again. I'd definitely do it again.